She says if I have to sit here. Hi. Hi. You're funny.
What?
Look. Look. Look.
Your head's in the way.
Nice hand.
Good catcher.
I got a bunch to choose from. But what a bad background that one is. Oh, where are you going? I'm going away. I'm going to get her a cracker and see what she does. Want a cracker?
I'm presentless.
Want a cracker? Oh, it's right.
I'm presentless. Whoa, it's so bright outside.
Come here. Here she comes, like a little dog. Here comes a cracker. Come on.
Can I have num-nums?
Here. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Good girl. Good girl. We'll try this again. Nope, sit down. Sit down when you eat.
With a mouthful. Sure is yummy.
Boop. Are you chewing?
She looks mad.
Woo! Boop! Sit down.
Wasn't it obvious?
Uh-oh, something happened.
Your battery died.
Yeah, it did. Oh, it really died.
She got me.
You know, you jumping doesn't help anything when you're taking pictures. Okay, move it.
I'm not taking pictures, I'm taking a movie.
Hey, baby. Stop, I'm trying to take pictures.
In front of the dishwasher? Yeah, I'll get a picture. You can see the little GE logo.
I know. Okay, I think I have enough. I can pick one from those. Sorry. Sorry again. Time for some milk. Stop. Stop, please.
You stop.
Want some milk?
You're the big silly.
Want a drink?